Hi everybody, this is TJ and I'm just gonna go over the caregiver portal. This is gonna be somewhat kind of like a demo of what the caregiver would see inside the portal. So the first thing is Joanne had gone over with the website. They need to go to careindeed.clearcare.com and it will prompt them to this homepage where the login page otherwise. So the first thing they're going to do is, of course, type in their information, the email address and the password that we provided, and then they're going to go log in. And over here, this is pretty much everything in there. So for example, like today, there are no current shift for this dummy caregiver that we created. And if they have any open shift or confirmation that they for a shift that they need confirmation, it will be over here. So if we ever offer them any open shifts, like a new case and whatnot, this is where they would need to confirm the shift. So we could see here that there's actually one shift here waiting for confirmation for Michael. So let's just go ahead and click on that. And then this is where the caregiver would either accept or decline the case. So let's just go ahead and accept this. All right, so there we go. We just accepted the case, and everybody from the staff of Care Indeed will be informed of that, of course. And now that's actually the shift for today. So today's shift will be for James Smith. And let's go ahead and click that shift. And this over here, they'll be able to review any tasks that are waiting for them that they need to do. And as they go on their shift, like they could update this throughout the shift, not just like at the end of the shift, they will update everything. So this is a really nice because it gives them that portability. They're not restricted to be right next to the client's phone to update their tasks. So the more convenient it is for a caregiver, the more reason for them to do it. So let's go ahead and clock in on for this shift. You see, like the geolocation is requesting to have access to that geolocation. So basically, that's it. So now, after clocking in, that's the only time they could actually update their task. And also there's another really good feature here that I want you guys to see, because with these through the caregiver portal, like the caregivers could actually view the other shifts and even the other caregiver shifts. So like if there's are any endorsements, couldn't find. All right, let's just wait here. All clients. Okay, previews. Okay, you can see here that I could view John's shift, the previous shift. So this is very useful because you could see here, like I could pretty much see what John had already completed. Like for example, she did the dishes, and also I would be able to see John's end of shift report. But in this demo, John did not provide an end of shift report, so we can't see one. But this is very useful because instead of they could actually go back all the way last month to check what they did in a specific shift. So this is a very powerful and useful tool that our caregivers would have access to, and this would really help them updating everybody for that particular client. And over here, let's go over the My Calendar. So this would show the caregiver's scheduled shifts. Like they would just select which day, and we could see here that he's scheduled every tomorrow again. He's scheduled tomorrow at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. to 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. And he could actually review all his tasks ahead of time. You can see here, this is the shift for tomorrow, but like he has access to it and he could review it. So let's see what else do we have here. All right, so let's go ahead and go back to today's shift, the one that we just clocked in. And let's go ahead and update all these tasks. So you see here, if they did not perform any of the tasks, they need to provide an explanation. So for example, for this one, did he assisted the client to go to in and out of the bathtub? So of course, if he did not, then there's no reason for him to mark it complete, but he just need to write a quick comment that, let's say like, client did not take a shower today, did not take a bath today. All right, and that's it. And then like assist with medical appointment, we could say completed. Assist with dressing, yes, I assisted them with dressing. With medication, reminder. So basically we got to be careful with the care managers, make sure that the tasks that you guys are going to be entering on the client's assessment tools are very, there's like the descriptions are very informative, like what's this, assist with medication, is that assisted with giving medication or just a medication reminder. So that's something. So the good thing here, like the care managers could be as detailed as they could when they're creating the task on the assessment tool, so that the caregiver would get like really good instructions on exactly what they need to do. And it will be readily available to them wherever they are, not just when they're in front of their computer. Because like this, the having a mobile app like with you, like all, like you could always, they could always check their portal, go into the portal and check the task that they need to do if ever like they're unsure if they have to a medical appointment today or tomorrow. So that's it. And this is what it's really what's really exciting with this app, because like here at the bottom, caregiver could like put like the general comment or change of condition. So this is pretty much the end of shift report. It's just like that, the same. It's not called end of shift report, like, but this is pretty much where they're going to be entering their end of shift report. So for example, like at 7 a.m. client when client had breakfast. Fluid intake, ensure. So this is really good because like every time like because what happens now is like the caregivers are just filling out the end of shift report at the end of their shift. But having this with them, this portability of the caregiver portal on their phone, like they could pretty much like update it as soon as they did it. For example, like right now, I just did the laundry right now. So I'll just put like, what time is it? 1:21, did laundry. So basically, like I don't have to wait at the end of the shift, and then I will be trying to recall whatever all the things I did the entire shift, and I'm gonna miss some of the stuff, some of the activities that I've done. I'm gonna miss. I'm not gonna be. It's not gonna be as accurate as it would have been if I were like entering them as soon as it is done. So basically, that's pretty much it. I don't want to take too long. And if you guys have any question regarding the caregiver, you see, it won't let me log out if like the tasks are not completed or updated. So that's a really cool feature. And also, like I've mentioned, like the with the like Marianne had mentioned earlier, like the care, this would make the filling out the care logs for the long-term care insurance reimbursement documents even more efficient because now they don't have to pick up the phone and listen to the task and press 1 and 2 to update them. Because I had one caregiver I was talking to yesterday. I mean, like she said it's convenient, but having seen these, having tried the app, she just fell in love with it. She said like, when can we? She asked me when we could start actually using them, and when can they actually start clocking in and out using the caregiver portal. So I think this is a really good thing that we need to start utilizing and implementing, and yeah, and we're working on this, and hopefully we could have your full support and cooperation. We're gonna be calling a lot of caregivers, all of them. I have tasked Emma and Mary Ann and Joanne to train them one by one, and also we will also be sending them the recordings of the presentation today. So hopefully that would make it the implementation process and training more efficient. All right, so thank you guys. And if you have any question, me, Mary Ann, Emin, and Joanne are just here. We're just a phone call away, and just give us a call. All right. Thank you for your time and good day. Bye.